On April 10th, 2025, Boyertown Middle School East celebrated its 50th anniversary by hosting an open house event for alumni and the community. The event brought generations together to explore the school's history, reconnect with old friends, and reflect on 5 decades of education, growth, and pride.
I've been at East for 30 years. The teachers in this building are different than anywhere else that I've ever worked. They come in every day, they stay late, and they work for the students.
So overall, there's really a strong sense of community, a strong sense of support, and that's the culture, one of course is the culture of this building.
Organizing an event of this scale took the efforts of several temporary committees like hospitality, entertainment, visual climate, and many more to help everything run as smoothly as it did. This milestone also opened up conversations about the future and where the school is headed over the next 50 years.
What I hope is that it's full of students, and it's full of students that are enjoying learning. What we also want to do in this building is just brighten it up and continue to grow with the technology and resources that we have. That's important that those things happen. Regardless of all of that, it's that we have students that are coming in that are happy to be here, feel comfortable coming in here, and that's what I want to make sure is happening 50 years from now.
From the past to the present, this celebration reminded everyone what makes East so special. Reporting from Middle School East, this is Giancarlo Gargano for Bash TV News.